Hi students, in this video I am going to explain about matrices. Okay. In the previous videos we have seen about determinants. No, in the same way I will explain about matrices from this video onwards. Understood? So what is its definition? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. Okay. Arranged in rows and columns. Okay. Inside brackets. Okay, so for example, I have a matrix A. So these are the brackets. Okay, and the numbers are arranged in a rectangular array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here we have 3 rows and 3 columns. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 into 3. I have written, no, this is pronounced as 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, and suppose I have another matrix B. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows and columns are there? 2 into 2. Okay, so this is row 1, this is row 2. Okay, this is column 1 and this is column 2. Here, row 1, row 2 and this is row 3. Okay, and this is column 1, column 2 and column 3. Did you understand, students? Now, let us see about types of matrices. Okay, students, I am going to explain here types of matrices. Okay, so first one, row matrix. What do you mean by row matrix? Row matrix is nothing but it is having only one row. Okay, for example, -1, 0, 2. How many rows it is having? Only one row. Okay. The second type is column matrix. Okay. So column matrix means what? It is having only one column. Okay. That is 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Here if you see here it is having only one column. Okay. Next. The third one is square matrix. Square matrix means it will have equal number of rows and columns. Okay. For example, I have a matrix. So 1, -1, 0, 3, 2, 5, 7, -10, 11. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. See, number of rows and columns are equal here. Okay. So here -5, 1, 3, -10. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So here the number of rows and columns are equal now. So this type of matrix is called square matrix. Okay. Column matrix means it is having only one column. Okay. Next. The fourth one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. What do you mean by diagonal matrix, students? Diagonal matrix is nothing but we have a matrix with elements diagonally. Suppose we have 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose we have 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. It has the elements only diagonally. Okay. And all the remaining elements are zeros. Did you understand, students? Diagonal matrix means it is a square matrix and that only it will have only the diagonal elements. Okay, and the numbers will not be same here. Okay, and all other elements are zeros. Understood? Next, unit matrix. Unit matrix. So what do you mean by unit matrix? It is also a square matrix. It is also a square matrix. See here diagonal, I am giving another 2 by 2 example. Okay. 10, 0, 0, minus 11. See diagonally it is having elements but all the remaining are zeros. Okay. Unit matrix is also a square matrix and also a diagonal matrix. But the diagonal elements are only 1. Okay. Same and also 1. Only 1 means unit matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. See here, all the elements on zeros, diagonally the elements are equal to 1. Understood? Suppose if we take a 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is also a unit matrix. Did you understand, students? Okay. Now, coming to the next one, that is null matrix. Null matrix. It is having another name or zero matrix. What do you mean by this? Null matrix or zero matrix means all the elements inside a square matrix are zeros. Did you understand, students? All the elements are zeros inside a square matrix. Okay. Suppose I have a 2 by 2 matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. Did you understand, students? Okay. Now, seventh one. Next, students. Next is how to find determinant of matrix. It is same as finding the determinant. Suppose we have a matrix A. Okay. And its determinant is given by absolute of A. That's it. Okay. So you can solve as you do for the determinant. Okay. Next one. Singular matrix. Singular matrix. Singular matrix is nothing but if you find the value of det A, it must be equal to 0. It's where after solving we must get the answer as 0. Then it will be called as singular matrix. Okay. Next, non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. What do you mean by non-singular matrix? Suppose if you find the determinant of a matrix, it should not be equal to 0. If the value of the det A is not determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0, then we call it as non-singular matrix. Okay. Now, transpose of a matrix. Transpose of matrix. So, it is denoted by A power T. And it is given by, this will be given by interchanging rows and columns. Did you understand, students, all the types of matrices? Okay. So matrix is nothing but we have a bracket and inside we will have a rectangular array A11, B12, C13. Okay. A21, B22, C23, A31, B32, C33. Okay, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Understood, students? Suppose I have a matrix, I have a bracket and I am having numbers here. Only A11, B12, C13 and A21, B22, C23. So I have only 2 rows. This is row 1 and this is row 2. And now how many columns I am having? 3 columns. So what do you call this as? Column 1, column 2, column 3. And this will be called as 2 rows and 3 columns. So first one is row and second one is column. Row by column. Did you understand, students? Okay, let us see another example. I have a square brackets here, and I have B12, B22, B32, any number we can take here. Let me explain through numbers, okay? So here I have 3 minus 4, 6, 1, 0, minus 5. Okay, so how many rows I'm having, students? This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. And this is column 1, and this is column 2, and this is called as 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix. Did you understand, students?